Your Excellency, Mr. Volkan Bozkır, President of the 31st Special Session of the General Assembly. Your Excellency, Mr. Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations. Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Heads of Delegations, ladies and gentlemen. This special session is being convened when the world is going through unprecedented and trying times. However, it is most opportune to strengthen global multilateralism as we step up fight against the COVID-19 pandemic and chart the path to future recovery. Mr. President, Zimbabwe welcomes the adoption of resolutions by the General Assembly aimed at addressing various aspects of the pandemic. We particularly commend the resolution on comprehensive and coordinated responses to COVID-19, which strongly urge states to refrain from promulgating and applying unilateral economic, financial, or trade measures and sanctions. In our case, these sanctions are detrimental to the positive strides my government is making towards our national development aspirations. Furthermore, sanctions hamper the full enjoyment of basic human rights by our people, including the right to health and the right to development. It is essential that we devote our collective and urgent efforts to intensify international cooperation to contain, mitigate, and defeat the pandemic. The exchange of information, scientific knowledge, and the best practices remain key. COVID-19 vaccines and remedies as a global public good must be accessible by all nations. Our measures to mitigate, respond, and recover from the pandemic should equally consider vulnerable groups in our societies. Your Excellencies, the COVID-19 pandemic has provided the world the chance to strengthen the global health security mechanisms. The World Health Organization must be supported to address gaps in pandemic preparedness in the context of enhancing multilateralism. Alive to the requirements of the present decade of action, there is need to accelerate the alignment of our country plans and investments with the 2030 agenda in a post-COVID-19 world. I thank you.